Off to pick up to a location in Spokane, Washington, local one. For a change, we don't get too many local pickups. And then it's delivering to Simplot, which is the potato plant. So they do like fries, they do chips there, you know, all kinds of potato things. And I'm picking up, I think, some kind of bagging. Not exactly sure 100%, but I believe it's bags. It's delivering direct. So it's not too long of a run, about 3 hours or so to delivery once loaded. And finally we're getting some rain because we've got a ton of pollen from our pine trees here. It would be nice to get some good rain. I see a few drops on the windshield, so I'm happy about that one because I'm allergic to pollen. It's great when the wind comes through and all the good rain comes through, washes it all away. I love it all. I'd be a happy camper.
Say a command.
Loaded up, strapped in. I put something like this so it doesn't slide. It ain't gonna slide. 3,200 pounds altogether, 2 pallets, guys. So I'll have a smooth, super good ride. The heavier you are, the smoother the ride is. Let's get going. So it's the end of the month, and DOT is out in full force on the hunt. That's not the first person I saw like that, and it won't be the last, because I don't know what it is. Their tactic is to meet their quota in the beginning of the month. First week of the month, they do the same exact thing. They do a lot of pullovers, a lot of fines. Then they relax for 2 weeks. And then at the end of the month, they do the same exact thing. With hardcore stopping, they're all over the place. They gotta meet their quota, their numbers. So they're out in full force right now, because it's the end of the month. But we're all good. I don't have anybody following me, so cool. But I'll show you guys what it looks like from the side with 3,200 pounds on the side. I'm sure you can tell the difference versus, like, 2,000 pounds and 25 versus 32. I'll pull over somewhere so you guys can take a look. Well, here's how 3,200 pounds look loaded. I am in the hole here. This is a hole, so the front's got that much room, back's got that much room. 3,200, but then my pallet is all the way in the end here. If it would have been at the wheel wells, I would have been looking a lot better than that. But it's okay, it's not bad still. I was gonna eat my stuff in peace. This guy right there just came here, all on his own from the side, asking me what I got. So I told him what I got. It says, open up. I'm gonna unload you right now. Let's go open it up. hat on. Nothing would have happened to you.
I'm worried about my taste.
You have the big grill here. All good.
That motherfucker right through here. It's gonna hurt.
So they got one pallet over there, another pallet right there. The only thing I'm not happy about is them, not letting me eat first. It's not like I'm, was messing with them, asking them, hey, please unload me, please, how come you're not unloading me? Where do we go? What do we do? I was all professional about the whole thing. I stopped here, was gonna finish my chicken nuggets and then go check in. But no. They had to ruin it. Now my food is cold, and then who's going to compensate for that? Thank you, Simple Lot. Thank you very much. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, stop hitting the brakes, hit the gas, subscribe. I'm almost home. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Still, gotta hit the button first until I say goodbye. I'm almost home. All went well. Quick one. Got loaded fast. Got unloaded fast. Always love those kind of deliveries, those kind of runs. Helps me out, not sit and wait for hours. Sometimes it can happen. But if you'd like to join the Eagle team, the email address for the setup packet is going to be in the description. So check the description, it's in there. If you want to become part of the family and be a driver, long haul driver, welcome. Email address is in the description. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is your chance, please do. Catch you guys in the next video. God bless.